Assalamualaikum guys. So today I want to talk and share with you guys about my healthy lifestyle. Okay. So in beginning, before I came into IPG, I drink about a lot of sugar. I eat a lot of junk food, pizza, burger, spaghetti, Maggi. Okay. But after I came into IPG, my whole life is changed. I started workout, running, and now I have my own schedule for workout. Okay, and I also have my schedule workout. I also have my own running schedule. So yeah, in morning I work out about 1 hour and 30 minutes. After that, in the evening, after class I running. I have easy runs, interval, and so on. And the thing that I can say is my life is more healthy. Okay, even maybe it's a little bit tiring, yeah, after we running, our body is tired, and but the thing that we can take it is our life is more healthy and our body is will more energized. Okay, jadi the conclusion that I want to share with you guys is in this life, in our life, we need to stay healthy so we can treat our body like God give to us. Okay, this is all for today. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.